there's that red dot on the screen, that means it's recording.
Hi, I'm Roman, and now we're going to make the Scaredy Squirrel nut tree. Here's even a picture of it, but I made it with tracing paper. Even I have a messy room, but it's going to be cleaned up. Alright, let's begin. So first you're going to need a paper towel roll. This is one I got from my grandma's before she even had to throw it away. She said I can take it. Then you're going to need some scissors. If you want, you can even add Scaredy Squirrel to the nut tree, and this is just my Scaredy Squirrel puppet. Watch it.
Hi, it's Scary. What's yours?
Alright, let's begin. First, you just get out some printing paper. Although it's for printing, you can draw on it. And if you're eating or drinking while doing this, don't do it. So first, you draw something like this.
No.
If you make your leaves too big, just remake it. So after we make the nut tree, we're going to read Scaredy Squirrel. Then you draw the nuts. And then you just start coloring. You can color them any color you want. Actually, you can only color them brown, if that's your type of option. And for the leaves, just make them like a green color, you know what I mean? Too dark? Too bright? Let's just leave it anyways. There we go. Then you can start coloring it green. Any green, like jade green, peat green, any green you want that you think that would make the best color of all greens. Then I just start cutting. Any type of scissors you think would help will do the trick. Make sure when you cut, don't hurt your finger. The next video I'm going to make is going to do the emergency kit that I'm going to need a box. Are you fired? Then you just tape it on. If you have clear tape, blue tape, if any tape you have, just get it. Like right now I'm going to use blue tape. Then you just tape it on. And that is how you make a Scaredy Squirrel nut tree.